Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So today's video we are going to talk about one very important options. Okay, so how to choose between WhatsApp Cloud API and 360 dialog. So we get a lot of questions from the support ticket. People want to know the difference between these two different providers, and in this video I'm going to explain from four different aspects, okay, about the pricing, about the onboarding, about the support, and also about the features, so that you can make up your own decisions. And we have a blog post ready, and also I will go through this blog post to explain the difference, okay. I will also including this blog post at the description of this video. You can look more information from the blog post, okay. So first of all, this is, as I said, we compare from four different aspects, okay? We compared from price, onboarding experience, support, and the features. And let me scroll down to the price. So for the price, first of all, WhatsApp Cloud API is free to use, okay? You cannot beat that. And for the 360 dialog, if you sign up from our link, you only need to pay $20 per month. Okay, that is more than 50% off if you compare this pricing with 360 dialog official pricing. And both solution, so basically for the cost, there are actually two costs. One is the monthly cost. Okay, for the Cloud API is free. For the 360 dialog is $20 per month. And there is another extra cost is about the usage, okay? By default, both of these solutions offer 1,000 free user-initiated conversations, okay? And if you are using more than 1,000 user-initiated conversations, or you use any of the business-initiated conversations, for example, you are sending the broadcast using the template message, that is considered business initiated conversations, okay? Facebook will charge you for that. And both solutions do not add extra what Facebook is charging you, okay? So you can actually find the official pricing, meta pricings through that link, okay? Different countries have different pricing, so you can go through that, and that is something extra usage you need to pay, okay? Basically, that will go to when you sign up with the Cloud API, or when you sign up, create an account with 360 dialog, you will able to link your credit card. So Facebook will charge you the usage from your card directly. Second, onboarding. Okay, onboarding is very important because it may be not that important if you only used for your own business. You set it up once, you do not need to worry about it. But if you are running a digital marketing agencies, you do not want to waste a lot of time to set up everything just to connect the WhatsApp number to build a very simple bot. Okay, so for the Cloud API, because of the limitations Meta have, it doesn't have any onboarding or sign up APIs released to public. So still you need to create the private apps, and you need to set up the webhooks tokens, you need to subscribe to the messengers, you need to provide a privacy URL and publish the app to push the app from development to live. So this is a very complex process, okay? And especially for the users who do not have any developer knowledge, okay? It's like a very difficult task for them. Even though UChat have the step-by-step tutorials, okay, you can click this link. It's video tutorials, and also we have the help documentations here. You can follow that step by step. Still, it's not a very smooth onboarding, okay? But with 360 dialog, the onboarding process is much easier. It doesn't involve you to create a private apps to do all those settings. Okay. So currently it's still a little manual process because we haven't integrated with the onboardings yet. But when we will do that in the near future. Once that is done, basically you just connect your Facebook account, you verify the number, and then your WhatsApp bot is connected. Okay, we will release that kind of the feature in very soon. Currently, so if you are using 360dialog, you fall into two categories. Okay, one is you are using a new number. Okay, you do not have any account with 360dialog yet. So you need to do these 4 steps. First, you need to subscribe to our pricing. Okay, $20 per month. You need to subscribe that first. And after you subscribed, you send your receipt, okay, or screenshot of the payment confirmation, and then the email you used to subscribe to our support, okay? And then you will receive a sign up link. Through that link, you can create your 360dialog account, okay? And after you create the account, you can add a new number. You just need to verify whether you can verify through SMS verification, or you can initiate a phone call that will play a number. You just verify your numbers. Okay, that is step number 4. Okay, after your number is verified, you add this number to your 360dialog account. You just need to send your number to our support, and you will receive an API key to use. Okay, so that you can connect with your WhatsApp number and also your API keys inside of UChat. This is the first option. Okay, if you already have a number with the other business service provider, you want to migrate that number to UChat partner account. Okay, so this is the steps you need to take. First is the same. You need to subscribe the $20 per month price. And the second is you need to send the payment receipt and email used to subscribe to our support. And then you will receive a migration form. Okay. In that form, in that email, we will also tell you what our partner ID is, because you will need our partner ID to submit the form. Okay. So you do this step, UChat, we will receive your notifications that there is one number want to migrate. Do we accept or not? Okay, we will accept that request within 1 or maximum 2 business days. And after we accept your number migration, the process is done. Okay, you can already use your API, your phone numbers, and with API keys you can use inside of UChat. So that is the process you need to take if you already have a number with the other service provider you want to migrate. Okay, so that's the onboarding process. Still, even this is still a little manual process, but it's still considered very simple compared to the cloud API. You need to create the apps. Okay, so in this, we would recommend you use 360dialog for the signing up onboarding. Now, let's talk about the support. This is the number 3. For the support, is when things happens, when the chatbot is not responding, you will be, your customers may be pressing you to get get to the bottom to why this is happening. And if you are using cloud API, basically to get the only resolution, the only thing you can check is the cloud API status page to see if there is any interruption of the service. Okay. Other than that, if you want to reach to that support to get some kind of the response, it's very hard. Okay. If you ever run Facebook ads, you know how difficult it is to dealing with Facebook support. Okay. But with 360dialog, they have professional and fast ticketing system. So you can submit the ticket with your details, and they will get back to you and within 1 business days or something like that. So consider all the support you can get. I think the 360dialog is much better in this way. Okay, now let's talk about the features. So for the features between Cloud API and the 360dialog, currently the features, they have exactly the same features. Okay, consider the list message, the buttons, quick replies, and also WhatsApp template message. Both solutions, you can submit the template. You can create and submit the template inside of UChat platform. Okay, you do not need to log in Cloud API, or you do not need to log in 360dialog to create the template to get it approved. Okay, you can do that all inside of UChat. And also WhatsApp product catalog message tab are both supported with these two providers, with these two solutions. So for the existing features, they are exactly the same. But however, 360dialog have one big advantage, because they are one of the biggest BSPs that Meta support. Okay, so they get access to a lot of beta features. For example, the UPI payment in India and the Stripe built-in payment, they are beta testing in Singapore. And the new message tab, the WhatsApp delivery message tab, that is also new. They already get access to all these beta new features. So if you consider the new features, I would say 360dialog may be a little, you can get the new feature a little faster from 360dialog than from Cloud API. Okay, that is just my opinion. Okay, so that is all the difference between these 4 different aspects. Okay, we talk about the pricing, we talk about the onboarding, we talk about the support, we talk about the features. So at the end of the day, what I think, if you understand all the 4 different aspects, you can already make up your mind what is the best solutions good for you. For me, I would recommend 360dialog if you can, if you do not mind this extra $20 per month, because the values you are getting is much more, because the onboarding will be easy, will be smooth, will be fast, and also you can get quick professional support, and also potentially you can get the new features much earlier than the Cloud API. Okay, but however, if you are not the digital marketing agencies, you are setting up the bot for your own business, you want to learn, you want to take the steps, you want to learn how to set up Cloud API, you don't mind is maybe a slow process, then you can definitely go with Cloud API. It's cheaper, and it just take a little extra time to set up. But once it's set up, you should all good to go. Okay, so that is the videos between the Cloud API and the 360dialog. Okay, I hope it helps you to make your own decisions. Take care. See you next time. Bye.